Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete KYC for your Coinbase account. First, let's understand what KYC is. It stands for Know Your Customer, a crucial process for financial platforms like Coinbase. This regulatory requirement helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. By verifying your identity, Coinbase ensures a secure and compliant environment for all users, protecting your assets and the platform's integrity. To begin, gather your essential documents. You'll need a valid government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Depending on your location and account type, proof of address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement, might also be required. Make sure all documents are current, clearly legible, and match the information you provide to avoid any delays in the verification process. Now, let's walk through the verification steps. Log into your Coinbase account and look for the Identity Verification section, usually found in your settings or profile. You'll be prompted to upload clear, well-lit photos of your identification documents. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which may include a quick facial verification scan. This process is designed to be straightforward, guiding you through each stage. For a smooth experience, here are some helpful tips. Always use good lighting when taking photos of your documents to ensure clarity. Double-check that all details are legible and consistent with your account information. While verification can sometimes be instant, it might take a few minutes to a few days. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Coinbase support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.